So the folks at Blackhawk Farms mentioned the importance of food safety and talked about providing their processor high quality, safe product. What impact have you seen that is extended on to the packer level?
You know, one of the things that they mentioned there is the packers' desirability for their cattle based on pathogen load. So Bio-Mos is designed to go after those pathogens like Salmonella and E. coli that have really been the biggest impact on the food safety piece of what we do in the beef industry. And some of that, you know, begins all the way back as a baby calf and pays off at the end there when those calves go to slaughter at the packer.
And Randy, we were talking a little bit about colostrum and the importance earlier. What does your research tell you about some of the benefits at that colostrum level?
Well, Kevin, there's over 700 research trials on Bio-Mos. That's multi-species, that's across the board. There's been a tremendous amount of research done. And you know, we've been sitting here talking about what's going on in the cattle industry, and genetics has improved over 25 years, and the plan of nutrition maybe hadn't kept up with it. It's a lifelong process. And some of the research that's there on Bio-Mos going back to colostrum quality is looking at immunoglobulin status, obviously, but then there's some really good research looking at calves after they've been vaccinated that came out of cows that were fed Bio-Mos and their counterparts that came out of cows that were not fed Bio-Mos, and looked at those titer levels, and the calves that had Bio-Mos had higher titer levels 100% of the time. So we know we're doing something to digestive tract integrity, we're helping with colostrum quality, and we're doing something for the immune system all the way around.
And it really does sound like we've got some lifelong benefits for this process.
It truly
right?
is lifelong. Yeah.
It's fantastic.